I heard you want to become a UX designer, but you don't know where to start. Maybe you've done a little research about UX design, watch a couple of YouTube videos. Here's the good news. You don't need a design degree to become a UX designer. So tomorrow morning, if you wake up and call yourself a UX designer, great, you become a UX designer. However, there is a tiny little bit of problem. You have to convince people, or you have to convince future employers that you are a UX designer to get hired. Let me introduce myself. My name is Suha. I have a bachelor's degree on mechanical engineering. I have a master's degree on product design, focusing on creating value by design in design process. I have a master UX certificate from Nielsen and Norman Group, specialized on management and interaction design. I am a bootcamp instructor. I recently finished teaching UI UX bootcamp at UC Berkeley Extension. I'm one of the mentors on ADP list. I have more than a decade design experience. The list goes on. And it seems like now I'm a YouTuber creating UX related content. Anyway, let's go back to our topic. How are we gonna become a UX designer? Well, if I was starting my career with no knowledge as a UX designer, I would follow the steps. First, I would do a research. I will list down all the reasons that I want to become a UX designer. Maybe I am changing in my career. Maybe I am fresh out of the school trying to become a UX designer. What I would do is, okay, why do I want to change my career? What I am not happy about my current situation. It could be a financial situation. It could be the well-being. It could be remote working options. It could be technology related. Maybe I am a storyteller. Maybe I am a problem solver, critical thinker. Maybe I am a creative person, really good at designing stuff. I would list down everything. I would also continue my research on what UX design job descriptions are. What skills do they require? What knowledge do I have to develop? Overall, this decision is a return of investment, right? I'm going to invest my time. I'm going to invest my money. What's going to be my return? What should I invest? How much time it's going to take? I would do research on what app design is. How do they look like? What platforms do they use? What is UX design? I would also ask myself, what do I know about UX design? What is UX design? Do I have a domain knowledge about it or not? I would benchmark my knowledge on UX so I can see my progress, so I can see my improvements. It would be a really good idea to look for what kind of resources I have available. What is the accessibility? How much is it going to cost? Can I do it by myself, or do I need to go get a certificate, or do I have to apply for a bootcamp? Once I collect all the data from my research, I would have a clear vision and understanding that if I'm going to commit this journey or not. In this case, I will commit this journey to become a UX designer. So the next step is understanding what UX design is. In the next video, I'm going to talk about what UX design is. It's going to be fun. Happy learnings.